I may have been successful. Snap the tip off of this bow. It was 64 inches long. Now it is 60 inches long. I've strapped these mahogany sears on the end here, dremelled the string grooves in. It's all looking rather good. It's obviously not drawing as far as it was. That's okay. This would be lovely as a kid's bow, I reckon. These are the lightest arrows I've got. I don't think they're light enough really to perform with this really well, but we're going to shoot them anyway, see how they do. How far back am I? This is like 12, 15 meters maybe. It's dark back here. Right, let's shoot. They're not a powerful bow. It's a really long drawing, smooth, fun shooting bow before I broke the tip off. And I put a lot of work into the handle, getting the arrow pass working correctly, which it seems to. Didn't even catch her at that one too much. Let's finish off the aluminium set. Nice. Sorry, got it. Oh, I need a little arrow light back here. We're good, we're good. Finish off with my homemade hazel arrows, a little bit heavier than the aluminium. But the bow likes them still. Yeah. Be able to see properly because of the shadows. Not an awful little group for a dilly little horse bow. Get them sanded up looking real nice. Tidy up that twine. And you're back from the dead.